For workers who are exposed to high levels of dust, the JetBlack safety range of personnel cleaning booths are an essential tool for quick, safe and effective workwear cleaning and dedusting operations. The JetBlack Safety Cleaning Booth is a self-contained freestanding unit that agitates, extracts and collects all dust and fibres from the operator, providing a safe and highly effective means of contaminant removal. The powerful airflow produced by the integrated JetBlack cleaning station and the method of extraction allows the cleaning booth to be a totally safe solution, while still being capable of dislodging all present dust and fibre particles from the body and clothing. Once removed, all dust particles are then drawn down and taken away by the airflow created by the accompanying extractor unit, where they're collected in a large bag for easy removal. JetBlack's safety cleaning booths have the capability of removing all visible traces of dust in less than 30 seconds, with the added benefit of avoiding the use of costly compressed air. They can be installed both inside or outside when fitted with a canopy, and are robustly constructed with 1 or 2 door options. The cleaning booth provides reliable operational performance with no belts to change or bearings to grease, and only requires minimal attention with little maintenance. They're ideal for applications in many industries where dust and debris can have a very negative effect on the health and well-being of staff, such as power stations, cement and gypsum factories, foundries, mills and mixing companies, as well as in smelting works. Please contact your local representative for more information.